What's up guys, OwenKnowsTech here, and I'm going to explain to you how to get free ringtones for your iPhone mobile device. So first you're going to want to go to autoco.net, it'll be in the description, and you could upload your favorite song, or you can enter a URL. But I just use a Google search at the top, so I'm searching Can't Stop by Red Hot Chili Peppers. Usually the one at the top usually tends to be the better one. I click on it, and right here you can click play. And there, that's how you can hear out sounds. And then right there where it says Get iPhone Ringtone, you're going to click that. Okay, go to the right, download. It's going to download. And then what you want to do, you're going to want to go to your download folder. And for me, I just have to double click it, but you may have to import it into your iTunes. So I'm just going to click it. It's going to open up and it copies it to my iTunes library. And now all you have to do is sync your device. Alright, thanks for watching guys. Hope you enjoyed. If you like it, please like, subscribe. Alright, take it easy.